Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to position an image in Google Docs. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, over here I am in Google. Now I'll go to docs.google.com. Over here you can see I am in Google Docs. Now I'll create one blank document. You can see here this is one of my blank document. To insert image, I'll go to Insert and Image. Here, I will go with Search the Web. Now, I'll search for image of mountain and hit Enter. You can find different images over here. Now, I'll click on one and Insert. You can see here this is my image which I recently inserted. If I click and drag, you can see here I'm not able to drag this image over here. For that, what I'll do is, I'll go over here. You can find this option called behind the text or in front of the text. You can choose any one as you need. Now I'll go with behind the text. Now you can see I can change the position of this image on Google Docs. You can see here in this way. Also now, you can see here if I try to drag this above this margin, it is not giving to drag me. For that, what I need to do is go over here, move with text, change this to fixed position on page. And now you can just drag this image to anywhere you want. In this way, we can position image anywhere in Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe.